Hey kindergarten, I bet you are probably following along with what the city is posting for our Eureka math lessons. But guess what? They're stuff you already learned, which is why I'm doing extra lessons on subtraction for you. Now, we learned that subtraction is taking away. It's making one big group smaller by taking some away and then counting how many are left over. Remember, we did a couple different ways. We used our math cubes and we used our fingers. So let's practice just a couple problems using our fingers right now. Let's say we have 5 fingers. We have to take away 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many are left over? 1, 2, 3 fingers. So 5 take away 2 is 3 fingers left over. We're going to do another one real quick. Let's say we have 2 fingers, but you have to take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left with? 0. Nada. There's nothing left over. So 2 take away 2 is 0. We'll do one more. Let's say we have 3. Oh, we want to take away 1. So 3 take away 1 is 2 left over. Good job, guys. I hope you were practicing with me. We're going to move on to our next subtraction strategy, which is drawing a picture. So if you're watching, let's get a marker and pencil, crayon, paper, dry erase board. If you don't have any of that, that's okay. Draw using skywriting. Pause right here, get the materials you need. Something to write with and something to draw with. I'm going to be using a Fundations board and a dry erase marker. And I bet if we were in school today, one of my friends might want me to use a pink marker. So I'm going to use a pink marker today. Okay, let's try 6 take away 3. So that's kind of boring. Let's make it a story. There were 6 chicken eggs. I'm going to start by drawing some eggs. Now, during writing and reading, it's really good to draw details. But for math, circles are just fine. So 6 chicken eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can draw them big, small, just as long as you have enough room. And I said to take away 3 chicken eggs. So I can either erase them, but I actually prefer to cross them out because then we remember that we did the math. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to count how many chicken eggs are left over. 1, 2, 3. So 6 take away 3 is 3. Good job. Let's do another one together. There were 7 pigs in the mud. Now, if you wanted, you could draw a pretty detailed picture right now. You could draw your pigs like this. You can even draw them in the mud. So there were 7 pigs in the mud. Sorry, I forgot for a second. 2. And I hope you're drawing with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here are my 7 pigs in the mud. Then, 7 pigs left the mud. I'm going to cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take a minute and cross your 7 pigs that left. There were 7 pigs in the mud and 7 pigs left. I crossed 7 out. There's no pigs left because 7 take away 7 is 0. Right, erase your boards. Okay, there were 10 goats out in the field. Now, don't draw 10 goats. That's a lot of details. Just draw circles. 10 goats. Draw circles to make it faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I'm going a little fast, feel free to pause and catch up to me. There were 10 goats out in their pasture on the big open fields. Now, 4 goats wanted to cross the bridge, so we have to take 4 goats away. I can do that by erasing them, but I prefer to cross them out because then I can see that I've done the math. So I'm going to cross out any goats I want. It's sometimes easier to keep them all together in one chunk, so I'm going to cross out the last 4 goats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross out 4 of your goats. Then you count how many goats are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many goats are left over? 6. 10, take away 4, is 6 left over. That is not a nice 6. I'm going to fix it. If you ever make a mistake and it's messy, you should always fix it. That's a better 6. Okay, erase your boards. We'll do one more together. All right, it's Easter time, guys. And there are bunnies everywhere. When I take Joby on a walk, I see lots of bunnies. So there were 3 bunnies. And since it's such a small number, I'm going to add just a couple details. So draw your 3 bunnies while I draw my 3 bunnies. Here are my 3 bunnies. Now my bunnies were hopping all around together, but then 1 bunny left. So I had 3 bunnies and 1 left. 1 I have to take away. So 3, let me write this nicely for you guys. So we have 3, take away 1. I have to cross out 1. I'm going to cross out this first one. He left, he hopped somewhere over there. How many bunnies are left? Well, you count the ones that are still there. 1, 2. There are 2 bunnies left over. So 3, take away 1 is 2. 3, take away 1 is 2. All right, boys and girls, if you're watching and you're using our Seesaw app, I'm going to leave a worksheet up for you guys to practice doing, where you're drawing your pictures and you're taking some away and finding out how many are left over. This is just one of our strategies to do subtraction. Remember, you can use objects like markers, 2 markers, take away 1 marker is 1 marker. You can use your fingers, or you can draw pictures like we just learned. Good luck, everybody, and I cannot wait to see your worksheets on Seesaw. Bye, guys.